Come for a walk through the Corso in Manly, one of Sydney's most famous beachside town centres and a classic spot for locals, tourists and families looking for a great day out. In this video, we explore the lively heart of Manly, with its cafes, shops, street atmosphere, family-friendly feel and relaxed coastal lifestyle. The Corso connects the Manly Wharf area with beautiful Manly Beach, making it one of the easiest and most enjoyable Sydney day trips. Whether you are visiting Sydney, planning a weekend adventure, looking for things to do in Manly, or just love Australian beach towns, this walk gives you a real feel for what life is like in one of Sydney's most iconic seaside suburbs. If you enjoy Sydney walks, travel, hidden gems, beaches, family adventures, and things to do around Australia, please like the video, subscribe to The Holiday Hunter, and come along for more adventures. Don't forget to enjoy the little moments in life.